front suspension, and Marcel told it before, we have changed more than or around 80% of the parts. That's the only common part, I think.
Even that is different.
Even that is different. Yeah, okay. All other parts are specific, but it looks like. We have special links, lightweight links. We have aluminum damper system and not the steel system like in AG models. We have done everything to save weight on the best place where you can save weight. Yeah, the gold caliper, that means carbon ceramic brakes. I think most of you have tried it today, or you can try it afterwards on the track, and then you will feel a big difference, especially on the track. On the normal road it's not so that important thing, but on the track you will feel a much better fading resistance, and we have two further big advantages for this brake system. You save a lot of weight. It's around almost 20 kilos per car.
Per car?
Per car. Okay. And that you feel also in the steering.
Unsprung weight, right?
Yeah, unsprung weight. You can feel it in the handling. And on the other hand is the lifetime of these brakes. On the normal road conditions, I think you don't care about the brakes. On the track, you need a little bit more, I think. But under normal conditions, it's almost lifetime for the brakes.
So can you talk about why we have a nice big brake caliper on the front and such a little bitty one on the back?
Floating brakes.
I think Albert can
The one in the
explain
back also
better.
includes an electrical activated parking brake. And at that time when we developed those cars, there is no fixed caliper piston system out there with an integrated electric parking brake. And we thought that that caliper really works great on the M5 and the M6, and even with the ceramic brakes we can easily get along with it. It doesn't look that fancy than this one, I agree. But at least, since not having those fancy brakes for many years is a good step up, isn't it? I mean,
Oh yeah, sure, absolutely.
So there might be a time when, yeah, we just at M, we probably could not afford a complete new development of a caliper with the integrated electric parking brake. So it's tons of money, you know. But
It looks only better.
yeah, it looks better, which is one good reason to come up with one. But regarding the function, we are very happy with the one in the back, you know. So, but yeah, we are looking into this right now. But at this point, I cannot say if we come up with a fixed caliper with integrated electric parking brake. It's open right now.
So the pictures or the test mules that I've seen going around the ring with the M3 and the M4 looks like it's a fixed piston. Does that mean it has electric parking brake, or does it have a?
No, it's different. That has no electric.
Ah, there we go. Okay, I like that. That's even better. Very cool.
But it's a different caliper.
It's different caliper. I like these.
Yeah, those are even bigger in diameter than the cast iron. The cast iron we did is the biggest pizza we ever did is 400 millimeters, you know, and this is 410. Yeah.
It's a full centimeter bigger, huh?
Yeah, and this is what you typically need to do when you go ceramic brakes. You have to do it a little bit bigger, you know. But the cast iron system works with taking all the heat and bringing it into the cast iron. But this is a different concept, you know. It takes the heat, but it gives it away faster than the cast iron. So it's the physical concept is different on a ceramic brake.
So it transfers less heat into the tires, perhaps?
Yeah, the peak temperatures are much higher on this one, but it also gets colder faster. And you have to isolate this heat peaks from the hydraulic system of the brake, so you have to do something that this really works nicely. You need special brake pads to stand this higher heat, and at the same time, since you know all the competitors out there, they have squealing ceramic brakes. We tried as hard as we could to avoid that, and I mean, you drove some.
You're pretty close. Yeah, I mean, you don't hear much at all.
It's not bad.
No.
Did you hear any squealing today?
A little bit, but not.
Was it ceramic car?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're coming. The pitch wasn't distracting. It was
Yeah.
a different pitch than like a steel squeal.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
It's minor.
So I think we got it quite well done.
Yeah.
And yeah, we are very happy with it. Another thing you might not have known when we talk about suspension, we also lowered the engine within the F5 series body by almost an inch, yeah, to reduce the center of gravity, you know, and get some more airflow over the engine, under the hood, things like this. So we really touch almost every mechanical part in the car to make it a performer like here on the racetrack.
Lunch is served.